Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import in Penpot. All right. So first up in here on your dashboard, just click on the three dots at the top. Okay. Besides your project. Okay. Go to three dots, click on import Penpot files. Now make sure that it is a .penpot file type or a zip file. Okay. So just go and select one. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and select material design right here and prime icons. Click on open. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, hit on continue and accept right here in a moment. Okay. Just basically wait for Penpot right here to review everything. And then the accept button will be available just like so. Click on accept. And here we have the files added. Now, another way to import, okay, is you got to click on a file or open up a new file, double click on it. And then let's go ahead over to assets. You can click on the plus sign right here under components, okay, and go ahead and add in your SVG files or Figma files from here. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in profile settings or the profile setting page. I'm going to click on open, and here we have it. All right, manage libraries right here. Add in your recently added or imported files. Click on the plus sign, click on the plus sign. And then once that's done, click on publish right here. Close it. Now you go ahead and go to material designs right here and prime icons as we have imported it earlier. You can now go ahead and use these components like a badge, drag and drop, like a button, common buttons, elevated, and just wait for the preview, drag and drop, and here you have it. Okay. That is how you import in Penpot. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.